These Gillette Venus razor refills are a staple in my toiletries. I feel like I use these all the time. I've used Venus razors for all of my life since I started using a razor, and these refills are so nice. I love these razors because they have like the soap or like moisturizer part built in, so it helps prevent you from cutting yourself or like nicking your skin, which is really nice and just leaves your skin really smooth. So I love these refills. They also come in different colors, which means they're different scents, which is really nice. But I just get my refills off of Amazon. Super easy. They come in a pack, which is nice, so I'm stocked up for at least a few months. And then it's nice because I'm not wasting a whole razor every time, but I can just use a refill and keep the same handle, which is nice. So I love these razors, would highly recommend them. Great staple.